What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to a vlog, daily vlog, I guess. Yeah, I guess we can call it that now, huh? So, today, on my schedule, I have my 10 o'clock and my 11 o'clock are both not coming in today, so I don't have anybody till 12:30, and it's not even 11 yet, so it's full already. Lakers won, and so now I gotta hear it the whole rest of the year. The whole rest of the year I gotta hear it till next season. Anyways, so we up here chilling, talking sports, talking smack. So yeah, I'm gonna figure out something to shoot today because I have a feeling it's gonna be a slow day. But stay tuned. Okay, so it's 1 o'clock and I'm about to do my first haircut. It's been a day. Alright, so he said surprise him. Let's see what we can get done. First haircut of the day.
I might as well just rename it.
Let's go.
I wish I had that.
Hello? Coolin'. Alright, YouTube, probably my shortest vlog ever. But I was kind of slow today, so I didn't really have much to film. So, one thing before I close out the vlog, I want to take out my new concoction. It's for Freddy again with the LA shit. Anyways, sea breeze, right? And like this much sea breeze, right? And then like this much 99% alcohol. That's the get him. But anyways, I'm logging off today. Sorry about the short one, and I apologize I didn't put nothing out yesterday. Sorry, but maybe I'll drop a tutorial soon if I can record one. While looking at the stash, let's see what we got. Anyways, see you guys tomorrow. Peace.